Hello children, how are you? Do you know this story? Yes, the story of Hare and Tortoise. And do you know who won the race? Yes, Tortoise won the race. Today we are going to make origami tortoise. For that we need one square paper and black sketch pen. So I start making tortoise. First you have to take square paper. Then you have to fold it like this and press it properly. Okay, can you see? I have folded till like this. Now I will turn the paper and again fold it. It is very easy. Now again you have to fold it like this. Okay, this part will be up. Now you have to open this part like this. Okay, now I'll show you again how we have to fold. See, this is your square origami paper. Now you have to fold it and you have to keep this much gap between these two edges. Then I will turn the paper and fold it. Okay, then again I will fold it and like this. Now our tortoise is ready. With the help of sketch pen, you have to draw eye and shell, tortoise shell. See, our tortoise is ready for the race. Thank you.